Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got these two identical blue rectangles. This is the first one and this is the second blue rectangle put together as you can see in this given diagram. Along with these two line segments, this line and this line. And as a result, we are ended up with this green shaded quadrilateral. And moreover, the area of this green shaded region has been given to us as 23 square units. And once again, bear in mind that both of these blue rectangles are identical. And now our task is to calculate the area of both of these blue rectangles. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's our very first step. Let's focus on this blue rectangle. I'm going to label its length as y and its width as x. And likewise, we are going to focus on this other identical blue rectangle as well. I'm going to label this side once again x and this side is going to be y. And now let's recall the area of a rectangle formula. Area is always equal to length times the width of the rectangle. And here are our dimensions for this blue rectangle, x and y. Likewise x and y as well. So therefore the area of this blue rectangle is going to be simply x times y. So thus the area of this blue rectangle is going to be x times y. Likewise area of this blue rectangle is going to be x times y as well. So therefore the total area for both of these rectangles is going to be x times y plus x times y once again. And if we combine these like terms, that is going to give us 2 times xy. So thus the area of both of these identical rectangles turns out to be 2 times xy. And now our task is to find the value of x times y before we could calculate their area. And now let's focus once again on this green shaded quadrilateral. And I'm going to connect these two vertices as you can see in this next step. And as a result, we are ended up with these two triangles. This is our one of these triangles. And this is our other triangle. And now let's focus on this top right triangle. I'm going to label its area as ace of 1. And the area of this other triangle on the left hand side is going to be ace of 2. So therefore we could see that this whole green shaded region is going to consist of these individual areas ace of 1 and ace of 2. So therefore our green shaded region area is going to be simply ace of 1 plus ace of 2 areas. And furthermore, we know the area of this green shaded region has been given to us as 23 square units. So therefore, we are going to compare these two equations. And we can see the left hand sides are identical. So therefore, we could equate the right hand sides as well. So therefore, we could write area ace of 1 plus ace of 2 equals to 23. I'm going to label this one as our equation number 1. And now let's focus on this top right triangle whose area is ace of 1. And now let's recall the area of a triangle formula. Area is always equal to a half times base times the height of the triangle. And in our case, the base of this triangle is going to be this part x and the height is y. So therefore we could write the area of this triangle is ace of 1 equals to a half times x times y. So therefore we conclude that ace of 1 value is going to be x times y divided by 2. And now we are going to focus on this other triangle whose area is a sub 2. And now let's recall once again the area of a triangle formula. Area equals to a half times base times the height of the triangle. And in our case, the base of this triangle is x, and the height of this triangle is y. So therefore, the area A sub 2 is going to be simply a half times x times y. Now let's simplify. So therefore, our area A sub 2 is going to be simply x times y divided by 2. And now let's focus on this equation 1. And here I have copied down this equation 1. A sub 1 plus A sub 2 equals to 23. And we know our A sub 1 equals to xy divided by 2. And likewise A sub 2 is xy divided by 2. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this equation. So we got xy divided by 2 plus xy divided by 2 equals to 23. And now we can see 2 is a common factor. And here on the top, that is going to give us 2 times xy divided by 2 equals to 23. And here we can see 2 and 2, they cancel each other out. So therefore, our x times y value simply turns out to be 23. So thus our x times y value turns out to be 23. And here's our final step. Now we are going to calculate the total area of both of these rectangles. And now let's recall once again the total blue area for both of these rectangles is going to be 2 times xy. And here's our x times y value is 23. And I'm going to substitute that value 23 over here. So therefore, let's go ahead and multiply out 2 times 23. That is going to give us 46 square units, the area of both of these blue rectangles. So thus after all the calculations and manipulations, the area of both of these blue rectangles turns out to be 46 square units. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.